Special weather statement issued at 5:20 p.m. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cook County in north-central Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, McHenry County in northeast Illinois until 6:30 p.m. At 5:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail was near Belvedere, moving northeast at 9 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. For your protection, go to the lowest floor of the building. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-293-293-203-223-492 when you can do it so safely.